Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and taking care of yourself during this COVID pandemic. So today I'm going to discuss about the another pest, that is Helicoverpa armigira. It's biology, control and damage caused by Helicoverpa armigira. Its common name are cotton bollworm, cornier worm, old world bollworm or scary bordered straw. This moth is a major pest in cotton. It is a most polyphagous and cosmopolitan pest species. It is a serious pest causing large amount of damage to a number of pulses, tomatoes. Here is classification. Head, thorax and abdomen of the adult is brownish yellow in color. Forewings are yellowish to orange in female and greenish grey in males and marked with line and spots. You can see here line and spots. Okay. The hind wings are a pale yellow with a narrow brown band at the external edge and a dark round spot in the middle. Body length varies between 12 and 20 mm with the wingspan of 30 to 40 mm. Its habit and habitat. The species comprises two subspecies, Helicoverpa armigira and Helicoverpa armigira conforta. Here its life cycle. The life cycle can be completed in about 30 days in warm conditions. Egg. Newly laid eggs are yellowish white in color. Color change from yellowish to white to dark brown after some days. When eggs are close to hatching, black head capsule is visible through the egg shell. Larva undergoes 6 to 7 days development stage. The newly hatched larva may grow up to 7 to 40 mm with yellowish white to reddish brown in color. Dark spots in the body. You can see here the larva, and this is in between tomato. Okay. So its pupa. Pupa are 14 to 18 mm in length. The pupa develop inside the silicon cocoon. Brown smooth surface, rounded anterior and posterior. See here. Okay. Not all pupa will develop into adults without pupal dispose. Wingspan of 35 to 40 mm, depth thorax 14 to 18 mm long. Orange brown forewings has males and greenish grey males. I am already discussed about the adult. Hosts plant. The cotton bollworm is a highly polyphagous species. The most important crop hosts are tomato, cotton, pigeon pea, chickpea, rice, soya bean, cowpea, groundnut, okra, field, bean, sorghum and maize. Okay. Damage. The caterpillar have the main feeding stage in its life cycle. They are polyphagous and are found feeding actively on pods, leaves and seeds. They reduce the filth. They are known to cause damage to gram and red gram. They also infest cotton in America, thus they are called as American cotton bollworm. Prevention and control. It's handpicking of caterpillars hanging from the pods is done. These are later destroyed mechanically or by burning. Okay. Now cultural control. Tilling of fields after harvesting turns up the soil and exposes the pupae in soil that get killed in harsh climatic conditions. It's a cultural control. Okay. Crop production is another method that ensure absence of larvae host plant for next generation to develop. Now the chemical control. Dusting a mixture of sodium, fluorosilicate and ash is an effective control method. Similarly, 5% BHC dusting can also be done. Spraying of 0.1% carbide or 25% endrine is effective control method. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.